Hello sunshine! Today I want to make ABC soup. So first thing first, I want to prep this pork. As usual, I will blanch it and then clean it. Water just enough to cover the meat. Low heat, bring it to a boil. I will put a piece of ginger. It helps to remove the gaminess of the meat. While waiting for the water to boil, I will prepare other ingredients. This corn into small pieces. It like that, irregular shape. Peel and cut this onion. Cut into large chunks. Tomato, cut into large pieces. And I also need some ginger for the soup. Side pieces. Ginger and corn and the carrot in first. Cook it together with the meat for 40 minutes under high pressure. Then only after 40 minutes, I think I will let the pressure release naturally. Then I'll put the remaining vegetable, the tomato and the onion, and then cook for another 10 minutes. I will also put 1 can of my homemade chicken stock. Water just enough to cover all the ingredients. It's ready to put into the pressure cooker. And I will put a little bit of salt. High pressure for 40 minutes. Because for my pressure cooker, it takes like 10 minutes or so for it to heat up. So I will put 40 minutes. Start. I bought this tofu 1000 sheets again for the salad I made the other day. But then I didn't buy other ingredients. So now what I will do is I will cut it into 3 portions and then wrap it up and then put it into the freezer so it can last longer. Okay, 3. I think 3 is just nice. Put this into the freezer and it can last for a very long time. Let me check the meat whether it's tender or not. Okay, very nice. Put the tomato and the yellow onion and continue to cook for another 10 minutes. High pressure, start. Another dish that I want to cook for tonight is this salmon. I have already marinated it with a little bit of salt and black pepper, and I just pan fried it. A little bit of oil. Skin side down. I will fry each side about 2 minutes. Okay. Let's check on the ABC soup. Let's taste it. Let me on the saute. While I season it. A little bit of salt. Give it a taste again. And I will add a little bit of white pepper also. Let it cook for like a few minutes. I've tasted it, so it's good. It's off. I will just leave it here until it's time to serve dinner.